folks, this is Mike Idle with Beer Money Pulling Team. Very special guest today. I'd like to introduce you to Darcy Goosen, the inventor and founder of the TireGrabber. Darcy, thank you for being with us today. How are you, sir?
I'm great.
Wonderful. So this really neat product caught my eye as we were walking through here. Can you kind of walk us around and just tell us what this is capable of doing and explain your product to all the customers out there?
Yeah, so I started this off on a farm. I'm a farmer from Canada. I built this out of need for my own machinery, handling big tires on the farm for a safer way to handle tires. I came up with a 3-arm design of a 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock cradling position and one on top. So all 3 arms move in and out simultaneously. There's a moving link here that links all 3 arms together. And you can rotate it about 22 degrees left or 22 degrees right. So, 45 degrees full rotation. It has a sideways swing where you can pull this lever up, swing it sideways if you're not quite square. And it's built out of a high tensile steel, all the pieces, so it's built to really be robust and strong. It's got plastic in the arms for sliding, so it slides on plastic. It's built so you can remove the quick attach and put other styles of quick attach on there for a telehandler or a farm loader or just about any kind of.
So, and it's hydraulically powered, is that correct?
The hydraulic is to grab. The
Okay.
hydraulic is for the muscle or whatever for the grabbing.
And we can attach this to almost any form of equipment or implementation that anybody in any industry might have, whether it be a skid steer, a tractor, you mentioned a telehandler. This is going to be very adaptable to any type of equipment most people are already using, correct?
That's right, yeah, it's good. I built it with that in mind so that you can attach it to anything or even a small boom truck or, like pretty versatile on
The uses of this are really neat and really intriguing, whether you're operating a sprayer or just a typical tractor or even large bits of equipment you mentioned in mining. This can be applied to numerous things anywhere that you're needing to move large tires, is that right?
That's right. This unit itself is good for 4,000 pounds. That's rated at 4,000 pounds, an engineered device, and we also have a unit that's for 12,000 pounds, so it's a lot more robust than this one even is yet. So, yeah, it's for a big, diverse market.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, if folks are interested in this product, what are some of the best ways that they could view one of these or get in contact with you if they're a potential customer?
The best would be just look up the TireGrabber.com, and there's a contact form they can fill out there, and we'll get back to them and connect with them.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is not by any means limited to that Alberta, Canada area. I mean, you are more than willing to distribute this to anywhere really within North America or the United States and Canada both. You're very comfortable getting this to people who need it, correct?
That's right. Yeah, we shipped it to Australia and Europe and Mexico, Puerto Rico, quite a few different countries. So yes, we want to ship to quite a few places.
Wonderful. When did you establish your company, or when did you run the patent on this product? How long has this been around? How long have you been doing this?
Patent's been around for 7 or 8 years. Yeah, and I started selling in 2017, I believe, was the first sale.
Let's talk about not only the versatility in the applications. This is something that's going to take a 1 or 2 hour job and condense it to where it's much more efficient. Let's talk about not only that, let's talk about the safety value that comes in using something like this as opposed to moving those large heavy tires manually.
Right, yeah, every farmer that I've talked to says they have a near-miss experience, either a near-miss or a dangerous happening where it actually fell on them or one of their children or their workers. So it is a reality. It is one of the more dangerous jobs that there is on a farm or in other industries too. Like, these tires are big and they're heavy, and when they start to go over, the time is very limited to actually jump out of the way.
Sure, so confidence in tackling a project, especially when safety is concerned, is a major issue for a lot of people in this industry. What about beyond private buyers? If I were a retailer, or maybe I own an implement dealership, are those the types of customers that you're very open-minded to working with as well?
Right, yes. Dealerships or direct sales, but you know, we're looking to grow the market and make people aware of what we have.
And all of these individuals just simply reach out to you at thetiregrabber.com. You have contact information there. It'll send an email directly to you, and you'll be able to put that in a data bank where you can contact them very quickly as well, correct?
That's right, and we got our phone number in there too, and emails for the sales and the contact fill out, and we're from Alberta, Canada, so we're Canadians, and yeah, we'd be happy to hear from you.
Absolutely. So once again, the name of the product, it's the TireGrabber. This is one of the easiest and most efficient ways that you're going to be moving, taking off, transporting, just really handling those large-scale tires, not only quickly and efficiently, but also very safe. You can just tell it's a quality product. It's something that we're big believers on, and you can just see how this is something that I think a lot of people are going to be interested in. Well, thank you for telling us about this today. We hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you so much.
Thanks, it's a pleasure.
Thank you.